go. Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, so based on that, I'll tell you what I've got a handout here which is quite useful, which is this one here. Sorry, I've got my stuff laying everywhere.
Right, you're right.
Right, so on this one, it's quite good to follow as well. So if you're wondering what to put in each section,
Yeah.
it's kind of got the title, so you've got your title there already. So every essay contains an actual question. So you've done that, you've created a question already. And then the whole essay must focus on the title. So it's all really working around that. So you were saying you're going to go off on a tangent sometimes. It kind of
brings it in a bit and keeps...
Yeah, so you can keep this and it will kind of help you to just think. So if you're thinking, right, what have I got to do for my introduction? So basically you're going to explain how you interpret your question and summarise your conclusions. So you're saying what you think, where you think it's going to go. Like I said, you can do this section after. Identify the issues that you're going to explore. And give a brief outline of how you'll be dealing with each issue. So it's, and you'll say research. You might say something about how you're going to undertake your research. And then next section will normally be developing your argument. So how you're going to kind of progress from that information you've said in the first place. And then so you'll be working on each of those then conclusions, summarise your argument, state your general conclusions, make it clear why those conclusions are important and significant. So it's just saying the reason why you're doing it and kind of backing it all up.
Brilliant.
This here
so helpful.
Isn't included.
Really,
so that can be useful.
So
based on your basic ideas, you won't need to fill in this one here. It's an extra one. So that would be your title you've already got organised, and then you've got your introduction. So you're going to do different chapters. So that one for you isn't going to be that. You won't have a methodology. You'd have. You won't have results either. So you kind of think what you're going to put in each section, and then the word count here, organise word count, and then when I come in next week, we can organise this, and then we'll just have it so you can kind of create a template. Does that make sense?
No, definitely. No, it's a real help.
Sorry, do you need a pen?
So this will be...
so you get that kind of, the notes you've got there, you could almost put it in and
just bringing it together and making sure it's right,
I think that's a good question. I know you had a couple of ideas before what you were going to do for your...
I think I'm happy with this.
That's it.
This is mine to keep?
Of course,
Oh, okay. Just noticed my spelling. My handwriting's terrible.
Mine's getting worse as I'm getting older.
Oh, really?
I think I used to write nicely when I was at school, although because I'm left-handed,
Did you have those fountain pens that just drag the ink?
So it never used to work, and it was just messy for me. So that's it. It's good, and you'll find it easier to figure out the word counts for each.
What did I say before?
Let's go back to that. Sorry.
Dishwasher now beeping.
That was it.
So we keep this.
One thing I was wondering, do you have to do an abstract? Quite often you'll have to do an abstract for.
No, not for this.
No, okay,
No.
that's good. Yeah, that make it a bit easier.
Yeah.
So, because basically an abstract will just include all the information, but it's not include your work out anyway.
Yeah.
So.
No, this is it's just. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Right, so we could do it. So if you put through the yeah, that's it. I suppose if you put the information onto that, I've found it here, and then we can put it through. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, yeah.
Do you like that?
Yeah, yeah. That's really good. Yeah, it's quite effective as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's colours. Right.
Yeah. Oops.